This is a follow-up step-by-step of the shorts video that I did earlier about the sweet cream cheese pies. And you will need 1 8-ounce package of cream cheese, 1 can of biscuits, and I used the Grand Flaky. You'll need a 1/4 cup of sugar and a teaspoon of vanilla. And hopefully you have an immersion stick blender to mix that up with, because it's pretty grueling if you have to use a fork. You could put that all in a deeper bowl and use a hand mixer without it going everywhere. But if you don't have one of these immersion blenders, you may ask Santa for one, because they are just life-changing. So you'll mix all that together, and then you'll roll your biscuits out flat. Put your mixture, your cream cheese mixture, in the middle as much as you would like, and then have your heat ready. Have your pan ready and preheated on about medium. And when it's ready, to go ahead and put your pie into that, and it will float to the top when it's ready to be turned. Turn that over very gently, because it is very, very hot. And that's all there is to it. I did go ahead and take a bite out of this one, as you can see. I was going to cut it in 2, but I figure I can eat one little pie easily. And I'm just lifting it there to show you the inside.